How to get better at chess? Basically, my YouTube channel is dedicated to this question. Here you can find a lot of useful videos about chess strategy, chess tactics, chess puzzles, chess openings, and etc. With help of this video, you can definitely become better at chess. As a coach with more than 10 years of experience as the FIDE master in chess, I also want to provide you tips how to get yourself better in chess. And first of all, what is really very important is to solve puzzles. It could be puzzles on chess.com, Chess, or some other source, or even the puzzles in the paper book, doesn't matter. Just make a limit to yourself that you are doing like at least 10-15 correctly solved puzzles per day. Then, in time, you will increase this number of puzzles per day. And in 1 or 2 months, believe me, you will look at the chessboard on a different way, and you will definitely improve your tactical skills. And especially below the rating of 2000, the tactics is very important. So by increasing your tactical awareness, you will definitely become a better chess player. That's a first very useful and necessary for you hint. The second one hint is just to analyze the classical chess games of the classical chess players. For example, Capablanca, Alekhine, Rubinstein, and others, especially to analyze them with the good comments provided by experienced chess players, experienced chess coaches. By that, you will unlock the chess ideas, you will increase your strategical understanding of chess. That is also a very important way of educating. The hint number 3 is just to follow the latest events of the chess world. You definitely need just to scroll at least the latest chess games, because you will see how the best chess players are doing so far. For example, you will see that Magnus is doing some very nice opening, and then you can use it by your own because you already understood the ideas of this. This training is very important, so please follow the latest events. And the hint number 4 will be pretty obvious, but as well very important. You need to go to the chess coach. That is the truth of the life. The chess coach will definitely help you to grow up. He will separate the information you don't need and provide you the best. You can apply to me. I have all info about my chess coaching in the header of the channel, or as well you can apply to some other coach. So the coach is also a necessary tool that you can use on your chess way. As well, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because besides everything, you can find a lot of useful content to educate yourself in chess. I'm here to share my chess knowledges and my chess experience with you, and I want you all to become a better chess players than you are right now. So let's make your better chess together, and I hope that you will enjoy my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, to press like, and we will see each other on my latest episodes of the videos. See you soon, and good luck on your chess way.